Okay, so let's continue. Formula number 2. Energy loss as heat due to electrical resistance. So the P loss is equals to I squared times R. P loss is the power loss as heat. In watts, I is current. In amperes or amps, R, that's resistance in ohms. Number 3, total energy loss over time. So E is equal to P loss times T. E is energy loss in watt hours or kilowatt hours. T, time, hours. Formulas for energy wastage. Energy consumption of an appliance. E is equals to P times T. E is the energy consumed kilowatt hour. P is the power rating of the appliance in kilowatt. And T, time appliance is used in hours. Number 5. Energy saved by replacing inefficient appliance. E saved is equals to the P old minus P new times T, where E saved is the energy saved in kilowatt hour. P old is the power of the old appliance in kilowatt. P new is the power of the new appliance in kilowatt. T, time used in hours. Number 6, cost of energy wastage. Cost is equals to E times rate, where E is the energy wasted in kilowatt hour and the rate is the cost per kilowatt hour, currency over kilowatt hour. Concept for heat loss, Q is equals to K times A times delta T. This calculates the heat energy loss through walls, windows, and etc. Electrical loss. P loss is equals to I squared R. Power loss as heat due to resistance in wire. Energy consumed. E is equals to P times T. Energy used by appliances or systems. Energy saved. E saved is equal to the P old minus the P new times T. Energy saved by using efficient appliances. Cost of wasted energy. Cost is equals to E times the rate. Calculate financial impact of wasted energy. Practice problems. Heat loss through a wall. A school classroom has a wall area of 100 meters squared. The wall is 0.25 meter thick and has a thermal conductivity of 0.7 watt per meter per degree centigrade. The temperature inside is 22 degrees centigrade and the outside temperature is 15 degrees centigrade. Calculate the rate of heat loss through the wall. So we're given A is 100 meters squared, B 0.25 meter, thermal conductivity is 0.7 watt per meter per degree centigrade, inside temperature 22 degrees centigrade, outside temperature TO is equal to 15 degrees centigrade. Calculate the rate of heat loss through the wall. So the formula that we're going to use is equals to Q is equal to K times A times TI minus TO multiplied by the D. And then substitute the given data. You now have 1,960 watt. So the rate of heat loss is 1,960 watt or 1.9 kilowatt. Number 2, energy wasted by leaving lights on. A household uses 10 incandescent bulbs rated at 60 watts each. If these bulbs are left on unnecessarily for 4 hours daily, calculate the energy wasted in kilowatt hour over 30 days. Given the number of bulbs 10, the power per bulb 60 watts, time left on unnecessarily T is equals to 4 hours per day, duration D 30 days. Required, calculate energy wastage in kilowatt hour. So the total power is 10 times 60. So you have 600 watt or zero point 0.6 kilowatt. And to compute for energy changes, that's equal to E is equal to P times T times D. Substitute the calculated data and the given data. The final answer is 72 kilowatt hour. Number 3, energy loss due to electrical resistance. An electrical cable carries a current of 15 amperes and a resistance of 0.5 ohms. Calculate the power loss as heat in the cable. So, current is equals to I, 15 amperes. Resistance, R, 0.5 ohms. Required, calculate power loss as heat. Use the formula P is equals to I squared times R. And substitute the given data. The final answer is 112.5 watt. Number 4, energy consumed by an appliance. An air conditioner has a power rating of 1.2 kilowatt, and is used for 6 hours a day. Calculate the total energy consumed in 1 month, 30 days. So we're given P, 1.2 kilowatt. The usage time, T, is equal to 6 hours per day. Duration, D, 30 days. Required, calculate the total energy consumed. Use the formula E is equals to P times T times D. Substitute the given data, the calculated value, and the final answer is 216 kilowatt hour. Number 5, energy saved by using LED bulbs. A business replaces 20 incandescent bulbs, 60 watts each, with LED bulbs rated at 10 watts. If these bulbs are used for 5 hours daily, calculate the energy saved in 1 month, which is equivalent to 30 days. So, given N, number of bulbs 20, incandescent power per bulb 60 watt per bulb, LED power per bulb, PLED at LED 10 watt, usage time 5 hours per day, duration 30. So required, the energy saved. Energy used by the incandescent lamp is using the formula E is equals to P times T times D, and then divide by 1,000. Substitute the formula. So, the given data, the answer is 180 kilowatt hour. And the energy used by LED bulbs using the same formula, and substituting the given data, we have 30 kilowatt hours. So the energy saved is equal to the EI minus LED. I means incandescent bulbs. So 180 minus 30 kilowatt hour, and the energy saved is 150 kilowatt hour. Number 6, cause of energy wastage. A computer left in standby mode consumes 10 watts continuously for 24 hours. If the electricity rate is 12 kilowatt hour, Calculate the monthly cost of this wasted energy. Power consumption, P is equal to 10 watts, and that's equal to 0.01 kilowatt. The time T is 24 hours per day, and duration is 30 days. The cost rate is 12 pesos per kilowatt hour. Required, calculate monthly cost of wasted energy. So the solution, use the formula is equal to P times T times the D. Substituting the given data, the calculated value is 7.2 kilowatt hour. And the cost will be E times the rate. And substituting the calculated data and the given data, the final answer is 86 pesos and 40 cents. Number 7, heat loss from windows. A building has 12 windows, each measuring 1.5 meters by 1.2 meters, with a thickness of 0.004 meter and thermal conductivity of 1.2 watt per meter per degree centigrade. The temperature difference between inside and outside is 18 degrees centigrade. Calculate the total heat loss rate, through all windows. So number of windows N is 12. Window size is 1.5 times 1.2, and multiplying that, the area is 1.8 meters squared. Thickness, D 0.004 meters. Total ay thermal conductivity K is 1.2 watt per meter per degree centigrade. Temperature difference, delta T is equals to 18 degrees centigrade. Required, calculate total heat loss rate. So, I first obtain the total area since we have 12 windows and each window has an area of 1.8 meters squared. Multiply 12 by 1.8, so the total area is 21.6 meters squared. Using the formula for heat loss rate, Q is equals to K times A times delta T divided by D. Substituting the given data, your Q now is 116,640 watts, and converting it to kilowatt, that's 116.64 kilowatt. And then number 8, energy loss in motors. A motor rated at 3 kilowatt runs for 8 hours but operates at 80% efficiency. Calculate the energy wasted due to an efficiency in kilowatt hour. Given motor power rating P is equals to 3 kilowatts. Efficiency is 80%, which is equivalent to 0.8 in decimal, and operating time is 8 hours. Calculate energy wasted due to inefficiency. So input energy is P times T. So you have 3 times 8, you have 24 kilowatt hour. Useful energy is 24 times 0.8, that is 19.2 kilowatt hour. So using the formula for energy wasted, the input divided by output, that is equal to 4.8 kilowatt hour. And that is the energy wasted, 4.8 kilowatt hour. Number 9. Okay, so we are going to continue this with part 3. So, see you in the part 3 of lesson 56.